Hi, this is Rick from Primeline Products. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put together a minor emergency kit to keep in your car or in your backpack, because even a minor emergency can feel like a major emergency if it's happening to you. This is just a small kit filled with useful items that may help you out of a jam one day. Everyone's kit will be a little different based upon your personal needs, but every kit should have some of the same basic items. These items should easily fit into a Ziploc bag. But what I like to use is these pencil holders that go on sale during the back-to-school season. You can pick them up for a couple bucks. They pack down nice and flat and fit in the glove compartment really nicely. You're not going to save the world with these items, but you may just save the day. Everyone's kit should have some basic first aid items: Band-Aids, antibiotic ointment, alcohol wipes, and any medication you think you might need. I've also included wet wipes, saline solution, toothpicks, Tums, a pack of Kleenex, and some safety pins in my kit. Some other things you might consider for your kit: zip ties, extra shoelaces or a length of string, super glue, a couple feet of duct tape, a whistle, a lighter, a pad of paper, a small sewing kit. And if you've read The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, then you know how important it is to have your towel with you at all times. It also never hurts to keep a little money in there. Another handy item, especially for in the car, is one of Swisstech's many multifunction pens. This one is equipped with a glass-breaking tip for breaking out a car window in case of emergency. It also includes a flashlight, whistle, ferro rod for helping to start a fire, Phillips and straight screwdrivers, a small rope cutter, and an actual pen. This next item is handy for everyday use, but would be valuable in a kit like this, and is another of Swisstech's many pocket-sized multi-tools. This one includes needle nose pliers with wire cutter, can and bottle opener, straight edge and serrated knife blades, small Phillips screwdriver, LED flashlight, and a keyring. This one's actually small enough to keep on your keyring. I know the last two items had LED flashlights built into them, but I like this little light because it can pull open and convert into a small lantern. Sporks aren't just for kids anymore. This little stainless steel spork packs 11 tools, including screwdrivers, bottle opener, wrenches, a strap cutter, and of course, the spork. As I said before, adjust your kit's contents as necessary. Check the video description for more information about these as well as other Primeline products. Stay safe out there, and thank you for watching.